Hello, thanks for dropping in. If you were watching my last video, I did have this 64 hooked up, and the picture just looks horrid on the modern monitor. It is possible, maybe, to make this sound better. Oh, I forgot about that. Now we will hear a buzzing. You know what? This should not take long. How long could it take? How long could it take? I'm opening the 64. And I know this is not the best view, but there are 3 little Phillips screws, and they come out. Of course, later, they started using torque screws. Alright. So here is the 64. We will open it up. Oh. Well, as I opened up, the more and more I'm thinking this will be a waste of time. Because this, when I get my glasses, there they are. This, I'll show it to you. This is an original early circuit board for the Commodore 64. And I think this will never be much better. So it's an assembly 326298 revision C 82 Commodore, and the chips are all pretty much from that time. What I was thinking I could do is pull off this cover, which after all this time is difficult. They're always a little testy. I'm going to take a little wee screwdriver and try and pry. Like I can't. Can I show you this? Not really. You don't want to hurt things inside. I don't want to hurt things. There we are. And I don't think that's going to work. There's a torque screwdriver. Exact thing that I always look for and can never find when I need it. I think what I need is just a regular flat blade. And I do not want to pry on things. Behold the magic. I think what I can do safely is to pry on this cover to get this cover. I think. It is a long stretch though. Oh, you know what? I just see bad things happening no matter what I do. Oh, okay, there is light. Okay, it's starting to come on. But I see the whole board kind of shifting. Okay. Come on. Okay, so that's probably been on there for 40 years or so. And here is what's under there. VIC chip and stuff. Now there's a potentiometer just above my thumb, and that may make it better. But as this is an old original machine, I don't believe it. Now that I've opened it up, I'm just going to give it a go. Boy, I don't know if you can see this before this machine. I don't think it was used much. The ports, the cassette port and the user port, they are perfect. They are absolutely stunning. Like they have never had anything plugged onto them. Okay, so get the cord out of the way. And we'll turn this off. And we'll see that the display over there is horrid. I will take this tiny little screwdriver. I will stick it on the potentiometer. And I will give it a little bit of a turn. Ugh. Well, yeah, this was probably a waste of time. Anyway, you know what I'm going to do is I will stop this, and I will show you. I shall. So, stay tuned. Here we go.